Hi guys, this is the solution for the U-Try on page 23, the topic 7 video notes. So the first thing we need to do is figure out what information we're given. So that Ben dives from a 10-foot platform. That is our starting height, so S is equal to 10. The initial velocity is 27 feet per second. That's our other piece of information. V is equal to 27. How long does it take Penn to reach the water? So reaching the water is ground level. That is 0 for the height. We have all we need. Our equation is right here. And we're going to plug in H, V, and S. So 0 for H, 27 for V, and 10 for S. Now there is no GCF, but we do like when we use the box method to have our leading term, our square term, be positive, so I'm just going to divide everything by -1. Now it's ready for the box method. So first term in the top left, last term in the bottom right. Multiply together to get the magic number. It is -160. There are a lot of factors of -160. So you did have to play around with your calculator a little bit, and that's okay. That is a skill you will need to be able to do for the assessment. The winning pair is -32 and +5. That add to -27. Factor to the left and factor up top. Put those in parentheses and set them equal to 0. Now the two equations we get, solve them both. We can't have negative time, can't have negative seconds, so we can get rid of -0.31. So our final answer is 2 seconds. And that's it.